Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Purple Brush by Sneha. I am Sneha and today I am going to show you a fun and easy technique for blending acrylic paints. We will be using two colors, Magenta and titanium white. If you are a beginner or even if you are a student, this tutorial is perfect for you. So let's get started. First, let us talk about what we will need for this project. We will need a canvas or acrylic paper. Here I use my sketchbook. Acrylic paint, magenta and titanium white. Some paint brushes, small and medium sized one. Here I use flat brush number 6. A paper towel or a cloth. A paint palette. A cup of water. Before we start painting, it's important to set up your workplace. Squeeze out acrylic paint onto the palette. Take a little bit of magenta on the palette, then take some titanium white. Next, take paintbrush and wet it and remove the excess water. Dip it into the magenta paint and start applying it to your sketchbook in a small area. It's like coloring with a brush. Now this is the fun part. Clean your brush and dip it into white paint. Gently start adding the white paint to the magenta area you just painted. Use light, slowly, and blend the two colors together. It's like making a pink cloud. And repeat the step. This technique is often used for skies, sunsets, and filling an entire background. Please find the description box below for details where I have used this technique. If you want the color to be lighter, add more white. If you want it to be darker, add more magenta. You can keep blending until you get the shade you like. Now let us do circular wet and wet blending. Start by painting a medium size magenta circle anywhere on your surface. Simply grab a small amount of magenta on your brush and fill half of the circle. Then grab some amount of white, not too much, on your brush and paint over the area where the light magenta and white transition effect. Gently brush over the transition or circular motion multiple times to blend it. If your brush seems to be overloaded, Wipe the excess paint off your brush. I use this technique a lot for backgrounds for paintings. Basically, you are doing blending but going in a circular motion. So the colors are lightest at the circle and blend out darker. Let us make now double load wet on wet. It is such a simple technique, but it makes for pretty backgrounds. I loaded my brush with magenta and dipped the corner in white. Use the paint loaded brush in up and down stroke. Blend the white with the magenta, but do not blend it all the way. Only randomly move the brush. When you are doing a double load blending technique, not required to always paint up and down or left and right for the matter. We can get creative too by using X strokes. Do not worry if it's not perfect the first time. The more you practice, the better you will become at blending. Remember, art is all about experimenting and having fun. And there you have it. Blending magenta and titanium white in acrylic paint is a great way to create beautiful shades for paintings. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more art tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or want to see more videos like this, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for joining me today and happy painting to everyone.